Hello my friends and welcome back. Today is giveaway day. So here in front of me I have a bunch of kits from the shop. Not all of them, just some of them, and I just kind of spread them out here so that it would give you something to look at. I'm not going to go over them all again today. It's just kind of like eye candy, so while we're talking. The other thing is, before I get to the giveaway part, I wanted to show you the card. So this is the card that's going to be going out in all of the orders through the month of October, and it's a nice thick dashboard. I thought it came out really good. I was just really excited when I picked them up. Then I thought they came out really good, and it's not only cute but it's also functional. So on the back it's got like this little October goals thing, and then it's got a little week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and this I thought would be like the functional part. So it's cute and functional, and you can just punch holes in it and put it inside. If you have like a ring bound planner, if you have a happy planner, you can happy planner punch it, put it inside your happy planner, whatever you want to do with it. I just thought it would be like kind of a cute thing to add to the kits. Not the kits. Well, yeah, the sticker kits, your orders. How's that? So this is free. It's going to go out with everything along with the regular freebies. And stay tuned for after I talk about the rest of the giveaway stuff, because I have some information for you. If you like giveaways, you will really like the information I have after this, because there's a whole bunch of them coming up from a whole bunch of really awesome shops. So I'll give you all that information as well. So rules. Head over to my Etsy shop. Look at all the kits in the Etsy shop, pick which one is your favorite, and comment below this video. I'm going to choose from the comments below this video, and whatever kit that you have listed is the one that I'm going to send you, whoever the winners are. So I'm going to pick 2 winners like I did last time on Instagram, and those 2 people, the kits that you've listed below, are the ones that I'm going to send you. So make sure you go over, actually look in the shop, really look, see what you really like. And then once I do the drawing, I will contact you and then get your mailing address and then send out whatever it is that you put in the comment. So that's that. Other news, just to kind of go over for other giveaways. So if you don't know what TPC is, it's called the Planners Collaboration. It's a Facebook group. TPC has been around for a while, and they feature shops every month, have big sales every month. So this month the theme is Happy Holidays. I think that's what it's called, Happy Holidays. So it's all of the different shops can do any holidays from now through the end of the year. So it can be anything from Halloween to Christmas, New Year's, Hanukkah, it doesn't matter. That is the theme for this particular sale, so this month's sale. Every single shop will be giving stuff away, and it ranges anywhere from $15 to $50 for each and every shop. And some of these shops you're going to know, some of these shops you're not going to know, but all of them are awesome. So I would highly recommend, if you like giveaways and you want to see some new shops and get to know some new people, it's a great group. There's a lot of people in it though, so it's got about almost 10,000 members. So it's not a small community, it's a big community, but it's an awesome community. Everybody's very nice, very helpful. It's such a great atmosphere. I think you guys will really love it. If you're planner people, you will totally want to hook up with all these other planner people, because Caitlin, she's the person that started this whole thing, and she's called Mama Admin, and she is fabulous. So she's always there to help, always. She loves doing this. She does it every single month. And there are, I want to say 35 shops. So 35 opportunities for giveaways over, since the sale is, I think it's October 8th through the 12th. Don't quote me, I don't have the paper in front of me as to the exact start and stop dates. But giveaways all the way from, I think it starts Monday all the way through until the actual sale starts. Every single shop gives stuff away. And so if you like stuff and you want to get it for free, head over there, join the TPC. I will link it below so that you can find it easily. Join the Facebook group, get involved, follow the little steps. I promise you, they give the stuff away for reals. I've seen it many times. I've been in that group for a while now. I've also followed Caitlin on YouTube. She's got a YouTube channel. So yeah, you guys will really love it. Anyway, that's it. Like I said, reiterate on the giveaway for this release is whatever you want. Pick whatever kit you want, comment it below this video. When I choose the winner on Wednesday, winners, because there'll be 2, whatever kit you commented is the one that I am going to ship out. This is opened to everyone. So there is no restrictions as far as like where you live, what country you're in. It's open to everybody. Even though I don't ship internationally, normally for giveaways, I don't restrict it. It's whoever, because I'm not, it's, you know, it's a giveaway. So if it takes a couple months to get to you, I apologize, but that's just the mail system right now. But I would not do that. I'm not ready to do that with the kits that I put out on a regular basis, because I feel really bad that you guys are having to wait so long to get stuff from the United States because of our postal system, that hopefully when things get better, I will open up to international shipping. But until then, as far as like regular shop stuff, it is not open to international, but giveaway is open worldwide. So go ahead and comment below what kit is your favorite. I'm super, super excited to be a part of the TPC sale this month. I've been trying to get in for a while. It is not that easy to get into, so you know there's some really good shops in there, and like I said, there's going to be some shops in there you know, and there's going to be some new shops that you don't know, but they're all awesome. So go ahead and click on all those links below, go join, get your comments in on what you want, and I will be doing the drawing on Wednesday, and I will announce it on Wednesday. So I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your weekend, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.